Now to the latest on the coronavirus crisis in Indiana, a grim milestone across the Hoosier State. The state hit 3,500 deaths after 17 new deaths reported by the state health department today. This afternoon, the Hoosier State reported 1,300 new coronavirus cases. That's the highest number of positive cases in one day since Friday. And CBS 4's Darius Johnson spoke with health department officials about the increase we are seeing in some counties and what it means for stage 5. Darius?
Hey, good evening, Lindsay. The main question we wanted to know is what metrics are being watched to determine if we need to scale back reopening. We did not get a clear answer. Instead, the state says they are learning how to handle different counties that are seeing more positive cases, while deaths and hospitalizations are again becoming grounds for concern.
Some of the changes you are seeing this week are the result of outbreaks in long-term care facilities. Another county is dealing with the fallout of more than 30 cases tied to a single event at which people gathered indoors in close proximity without wearing masks.
Dr. Christina Bach says that's why you're seeing more orange and red on this map compared to last week. They are also seeing more younger people under the age of 20 spreading the virus to those who are more susceptible, an increase they first noticed in August.
And the concern is that as those individuals are out in the community, they go home to their families, they go to family gatherings, weddings, funerals, whatever that is, that they tend to infect older individuals.
Now causing the number of hospitalizations to increase over 1,000 patients with COVID-19 or symptoms. Dr. Box attributing that partially to Labor Day. The governor sending a brief reminder that this fight is everyone's responsibility.
Until we get to that day where we have a vaccine and more therapeutics between now and then, it's up to us to act responsibly, and that's the way that we can control the spread.
And just because we're in stage 5 doesn't mean you take the pressure off the pedal and throw out the practices that have been preached.
A lot of people have told me that being in stage 5 means that we're back to normal, kind of pre-COVID, and it really doesn't. It means that we're continuing to social distance, not only within our restaurants, our gyms, our bars. We're continuing to wear our masks inside.
Now, the city of Chicago says if numbers in the Hoosier State continue to increase, Indiana will then be added to their no travel order. Right now, they simply say that this is just a warning. As for health officials right here in Indiana, they say its leaders and the state are doing what works for them and for Hoosiers. Reporting in the newsroom this evening, I'm Darius Johnson, CBS 4 News.